Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're unlocking a simple PS3 setting that can make your games look way better. No tools, no mods, just a quick setup tweak right on your PS3. Let's jump straight into it. First, power on your PS3 and grab your PS3 controller. From the main PS3 home screen, scroll to the Settings tab. Now move down to Display Settings and press to open it. You'll see several options here. We're focusing on Video Output Settings. Select Video Output Settings and press. The PS3 will ask what type of cable you're using. Choose HDMI if you're connected with an HDMI cable to your TV. If you're using component cables, select Components/D terminal instead. For this tutorial, let's go with HDMI, since that gives the best picture. The PS3 will now detect your TV's supported resolutions automatically. You'll see options like 480p, 720p, 1080i, and 1080p. Make sure 1080p is checked if your TV supports it. Then press right on the PS3 controller to continue. You'll see a preview of the new resolution. If the image looks correct, press to confirm the change. This ensures your PS3 is outputting the highest quality signal possible. But we're not done yet. There's another hidden setting that helps. Go back to Display Settings again. This time, scroll down to RGB Full Range HDMI. By default, this is often set to Limited. Change it to Full RGB and press to apply. This setting enhances the color range, making dark areas richer and bright areas cleaner. You'll instantly notice deeper blacks and sharper contrast in PS3 games. Next, scroll down a bit further to YPB/CBPR/CR Super White HDMI. Make sure this setting is also on. This allows better brightness and contrast control for HD TVs. Together, these two options, RGB Full and Super White, improve PS3 visuals drastically. Now, let's check another important option under Game Settings. Scroll over to Game Settings on your PS3 home screen. Move down to Upscale Game and set it to On. This setting allows older PS3 titles or PS2 classics to scale up for HD displays. Next, go to Smoothing, and turn that on as well. This helps reduce jagged edges and gives a cleaner picture for older games. Once both are set, back out to the main PS3 menu. Open a game to test the new visual improvements. You should notice a sharper, more vibrant image right away. Edges will look smoother, and lighting will appear more balanced. If the screen looks washed out, try adjusting your TV's brightness slightly. Remember, every TV handles RGB and Super White differently. You can fine-tune your PS3's display until it matches your TV perfectly. For the best results, make sure your HDMI cable is high-speed rated. A poor-quality HDMI cable can limit color depth and clarity on your PS3. If the image flickers, go back and reselect your PS3's resolution manually. Some older TVs might not fully support 1080p, 720p is fine in that case. Always confirm changes before exiting each menu on your PS3. Once everything looks good, hold down the PS button to quit your test game. Return to the main menu to make sure the settings are saved. Your PS3 will now always boot with these optimized display settings. Games and even movies on your PS3 will look noticeably crisper. And the best part? No extra software or hardware needed. Just these built-in PS3 settings make a huge visual difference. Go ahead and try this on your own PS3 today. You'll be surprised how much better your favorite games can look. If this guide helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more PS3 tips. Thanks for watching. This is Tech Vibes, keeping your console running smooth. See you in the next video.